In this video, I will show you how to apply for a Revolut credit card. So it's fairly simple, but there are some criteria that you need to meet. First, you need to be at least 18 years old, have a Revolut account for at least 30 days, and then you need to be a resident of one of the following countries: Lithuania, Poland, Republic of Ireland, Spain, or the United States. That's where it's currently available to get a Revolut credit card. Now they will also release different countries soon, so if you're watching this later in the future, then you can still try this and maybe it will be available at the time you're watching this if you're not from one of those countries. So on top of that, you need to permanently live in that country. Then you need to have a phone number linked to your Revolut account, which you probably do have. Then you also need to have no negative balances in your Revolut account. And you need to be employed or self-employed and have basically proof of your income. So if you meet all of those criteria, then on Revolut, go to the home screen and then right under your balance, you have an accounts button. Go and click on accounts. And then here you will see this. Now click add new. And then under personal, if you qualify for getting credit and getting a credit card, then from here you can then select credit and then select credit card, and then you need to fill out a short application where you enter some details, and then you will be able to get the Revolut credit card. Now if it's not here yet, most likely it's because you're not in one of those countries, although again they are adding more countries in the future, but you can check this every few months and maybe it will show up at a certain point for you. So that's how to apply for the Revolut credit card. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.